In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Replit for Python programming. Full beginner guide. Start by opening your browser and heading to the Replit homepage. From here, we'll create a fresh project. Look for the option to start a new REPL. It's typically a button near the top or side of the dashboard. Click it to open the project templates. You'll see several categories that help you choose the right starting point. Begin with Web App to preview what a Python-friendly web template looks like. This is great if you plan to build anything that serves pages or has an interactive front end. Now, take a moment to explore the other categories so you know what's available. Switch to Mobile App to see options geared toward mobile experiences. Check out Data App if you're working with analysis, visualization, or databases. Peek at 3D Game to understand what's possible for graphics or game development. Then look at Agents and Automations for workflow bots and automations. Finally, open General to view the basic, language-focused starters. This quick tour helps you pick the right template later without guessing. When you're ready, return to Web App. Click to select it, then move to the Project Details pane. Click the name field and give your project a clear, short title so you can find it later. If you see a template called Create a Sample Python Code for Testing, choose it. This starter is helpful because it gives you a working snippet right away, so you can focus on learning the environment instead of building from scratch. Create the project and let the workspace load. You'll see files on the left, the code editor in the center, and the console or output on the right. If a helpful guide or tips overlay appears, it may include cards like Ask Questions, Plan Your Work, and Make, Test, Iterate. Use these to structure your workflow, jot down tasks, run your code frequently, and make small improvements each pass. That approach keeps debugging simple and progress steady. Make any quick edits you want to the sample code to confirm you can run and tweak it. When everything looks good, it's time to publish. Click Publish in the top area of the workspace. You may be prompted to add a short description or tags so others understand what your project does. Confirm your choices, then click. Publish again to finalize. Replit will package your project and make it available to share. That's it. You navigated templates, created a Python project, explored the editor, and published your